You crack me up, Stormy, I swear you do. Are you done yet? Are you done? You gonna try to get down the stairs with it again? Huh? Are you done, girl?